Guys, this is hot news right now. Britney Spears was recently pulled over and video of the interaction just surfaced. I have not seen it. You have not seen it. We're about to see it right now. Let's go. All right, looks like California. Whoa, looks like a nice car.
I'm so sorry.
You're speeding. Let me get your license, registration, insurance.
My license actually is with my security.
You were going 60 and it's like a 45.
I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry.
Let me get your registration, insurance.
Excuse me?
Registration, insurance.
I don't know.
Okay, in a typical traffic stop, when you get pulled over, what are the three things you need? License, registration, and insurance. That's pretty basic. Now, in some states, if you don't have them on you, that is an offense. In other states, you can kind of get out of it a little bit depending on how much of your records are current inside the system. And also, in some places, if you produce it before the court appearance, proving that it was in effect at the time you were pulled over, they're going to dismiss the charges. But so far, we have her basically agreeing that she was speeding because she said, I'm sorry, instead of saying, no, I actually wasn't going that fast. So let's see what happens next.
All my information is.
Do you have a valid license?
Yes, sir.
I stopped you before out here for speeding. I stopped you before out here for speeding. I gave you a break last time.
Oh, no. What are the chances? Oh, no. Police officers do want to sometimes give people a break, especially if they're, let's say, famous pop stars. But second time,
All right, can I get your full name? Date of birth.
I guess it's the Britney Spears. That's what we're assuming.
At the house. Okay. You have him.
Dude, this guy is trying to help her out. First of all, he's so familiar with it that he says, doesn't your security normally follow you? And now he's saying, like, can you just call your security guy and bring the stuff that I need so I don't have to ticket you? Look, he doesn't want the headache. He doesn't want this drama.
Bring your information. Or he can send you a picture of the insurance.
I mean, he's really trying to make it easy.
And insurance. And insurance. Wait here for me, okay?
I mean, he's trying to help her out. This cop is not an idiot. He knows that this body cam footage is likely going to be subject to an FOIA, and he's trying to do things to not look dumb and not to make the sheriff's department look bad. He's just trying to get through this as best as he can. You think he's writing a ticket or a warning? Don't know yet. He's writing something. It's on the pad. It looks like a ticket. If it's been a while since you've gotten a ticket, let me tell you as a reminder, they ask you to sign the ticket when you get it, sign their copy so that they can prove to the judge that you know about the court date because the court date is written on there. Now, whether you sign or not, you're still getting the ticket. It makes sense to always sign it because you're just wasting the officer's time. If you don't, it doesn't mean that you agree that you were speeding. Although Britney did kind of implicitly agree that she was speeding. And if I had that car, you better believe I would be speeding. Woo! That thing would look hot. But I would not want a white sports car. That is not my vibe.
What?
I said I wouldn't want a white sports car because that's not my vibe. Can the officer hear me? No. He's talking to somebody else. This is so funny. So she says, here's a picture of my passport. Now, that's great for identifying her. That's fine. The problem is that he's not wanting to know who she is. We all know who Britney is. He's wanting to see that she has a current and valid driver's license because she is operating a car, and not just any car, on the road. So passport doesn't really do the trick.
Okay. Can I get your current address?
Okay, here she is.
Yeah, I just need her current address. License and stuff and the insurance? Okay, yeah, she needs to be in the vehicle. You know the name of the insurance company at least? And you don't have her license either?
I mean, this guy is being super, super nice to her.
Okay.
Because not only does she not have her driver's license on her, the person that she called, the phone a friend for the driver's license, apparently doesn't have it either. It's a certain type of problem they got.
Yeah, it'll have to be afterwards. You guys can just show it to the court as proof, okay?
That's what I was saying earlier. In some places, you can just bring it after the fact, and that'll get you out of the charge.
Yeah, go ahead. Ms. Spears, can I get your address?
I would hope that you guys would know this part would be muted.
Is that considered Thousand Oaks? And then what's the zip code?
Shout out to Law and Crime for getting this video uploaded so fast. That's impressive. Because if I move out of the way, oh, my chair's still in the way, and you still can't see when it came out. This so far has been exactly how I had hoped that it would be. Britney Spears is acting like a decent human being who got caught speeding. The cop is acting like a decent cop who has caught her before for speeding, and he's not letting her use her fame to get out of the fact that she is responsible to obey the laws, just like you and me. And he's also not picking on her for being famous. He's definitely trying to be nice, but I don't think he's like doing any special favors for her because, as I said, most people, if you're nice with a cop during a traffic stop about speeding and they can figure out that you are who you say you are, you're not going to get in trouble for not having the documents that you're supposed to have as long as they do exist somewhere. Now, it's not a strategy that I recommend, and if you happen to be one of my children and you're watching this video, you better have that paperwork in the car. I am not going to come bring it to you. Actually, I probably would. I love you guys. If you know what kind of car she's driving, if you can tell from the footage that we've seen, please get down into the comments and tell me what it is and also how much it costs. Because that thing looks like she could definitely go more than 15 over if she needed to in a pinch.
All right, ma'am. So I'm going to write you a fix-it ticket for the license and then not having proof of insurance. I'm guessing you do have insurance, but you need to have it in the vehicle or accessible, so if you get in a car crash, you can exchange it versus having to try to juggle it back and forth. Just sign in the red box. By signing, you're not admitting to anything. I'm going to give you a warning for speeding, by the way.
Oh, no, he didn't give her a ticket. He didn't give her a ticket for the speeding. Oh, that's amazing. You know what? He's probably been on the Free Britney team the entire time, And he's not going to assess her that fine when he knows that her wicked dad has been keeping her money from her for years. So, you know, the cop's just saying, basically hit me, baby, one more time. I can't believe I did it. I can't believe I did it.
Just sign in the red box. By signing, you're not admitting anything. You're just promising you're going to take care of it with the court. They should send you a notice to your address. In general, you can just show proof to any law enforcement that you have your license and that you have the insurance. They can sign off on the ticket, and then you talk to the court with how to take.
Yeah, it's not even really a ticket because she can
here. This is the second time. Okay?
prove her way out of it.
There's your copy. You're free to go.
Okay, so the upshot there is he gave her 2 tickets that aren't real tickets because as long as she has insurance, as long as she has a driver's license, she can basically prove that she had them and then there's no fine. And then he warned her on the speeding, which is very friendly. That is not really that bad. I don't know what you guys were expecting, if you thought she was going to cry or he was going to try to get an autograph. He did get an autograph. Oh my word. Maybe that's why he gave her those tickets. Hey, listen, I don't know, but if you've got some thoughts about this video, get down in the comments and let me know your pro se opinion. What you think? I was pretty happy with how she behaved and pretty happy with how the cop behaved. And cops, if you're watching, I like warnings also. Hey guys, I'm America's Attorney. If you haven't hit subscribe, I don't know what you're doing. It's free. Get it now. And otherwise, check out these videos and I'll be back real soon. Bye.